Kofta Kebab İnegöl-Style. Dice one small onion and crumble the stale bread in a blender. Add the meat to a large mixing bowl, then add the breadcrumbs, onion, finely chopped parsley, bicarbonate of soda, black pepper and salt. Knead until the mixture no longer sticks to your hand. Then leave to rest for 2 hours in the refrigerator. Place the mixture into a piping bag to shape the kebab pieces. On a flat chopping board, squeeze the mixture into adjacent strips of about 30 centimeters each. Cut the strips into sections of about 6 to 7 centimeters long. Cook the meatballs in a griddle pan or on a grill, turning over to cook both sides. Serve hot with your favourite side dishes. Bon appétit!